Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SQL tutorial. So in the last video, we have discussed about the window functions. So link is in the description. So have a look on that if you haven't. So moving forward now. So today we are going to discuss about the SQL joins. Okay. So types of joins. We have inner join, we have outer join, and in outer join we have three types: left outer join or left join, right outer join or right join, full outer join or full join. Okay. And then we have self join and then cross join. So let's discuss one by one. Okay, inner join. So so basically joining happens between minimum between the two tables. Okay, two or more tables. Okay, we need the matching rows or matching records. Okay, to join the particular tables, right? So let's talk about inner joins. So as you can see here on the left side we have table 1 and the right side on the table 2. So the green area, it's nothing but the matching value. So inner join will returns only the rows that have matching values. Okay. So let's understand that practically. Okay. So I have here a student and course table. Student table consists of first name, last name, roll number, and course code. Okay. And this course code is nothing but the code which belongs to the course table. Okay. Code and then name and then duration. Okay. So now first analyze the data. So, okay, as we can see, Sarah Miller, okay, not enrolled yet in any of the course. Okay, and again, one, as you can see here, biology course is not at all enrolled by any of the student. Okay, so we have analyzed the data. So now let's implement inner join. So here I have taken one scenario. I need the list of students, okay, who have enrolled in different courses or in any of the courses the students have enrolled. Okay. So syntax is quite simple. Select and then I will mention here the column names. Okay. So I want first name. I want roll number. I want the name, course name, and duration. Okay. So I have taken the columns which I want to return from both the tables. Now I'm performing joining. Select column names from first mention the left table. So left table is student, okay. And then I am performing here join. I am joining the student table with the course table, okay. Let me give alias, okay. S student S and then C for course on S dot course code equals C dot code. Why I have taken this column only? Because I am getting here the matching records. So that's the reason. So this is nothing but the left table and this course table is nothing but my right table. Okay. So for better understanding, I'm using alias. So s dot first name and s dot roll number, that is from student table, c dot name and c dot duration from course table. So this is the basic syntax. So there are only 4 students who are enrolled in any of the course. Okay, so this is the inner join. Okay, you can simply write join. It's by default, it's understood that it's a inner join, or you can simply write here inner join. Okay, both works. Okay, same result. Okay. So here we are getting only 4 students. Why? Because Sarah Miller have not enrolled. She has not enrolled in any course. So his name is excluded here, okay, as we are performing inner join, so it will return only matching rows. Okay, moving forward. Okay, now moving forward, outer join. So let's talk about the left outer join. So left outer join will include the left table rows plus matching rows. And if there is no matching rows found, simply it will return null values. Okay. So let's implement it practically. I will use the same query again. Okay. Just I will replace here with, instead of inner, I will write here left. Okay. Left join or left outer join, both works. So what this query did, as we know, okay. Okay, let me write this query here first for better understanding. Okay. Okay. Yeah, perfect now. So as you can see here, the first table is nothing but the student table, right? And the second is the query of the left outer join. Okay. As you can see here, we have only 5 records in student table. So we are getting 5 rows here as we are implementing here left outer join. So all the rows from the left table, that is from student table, and with the matching values, and wherever there is no matching font, simply it returns the null values. So here Sarah Miller, not, she has not enrolled in any course, so we are getting no matching records found, as course code is null in the student table, so we are getting null values. So simple left outer join, left table rows plus matching values, and no, if no matching found, simply it will return null values. Okay. Moving forward, right outer join. It's opposite of left outer join. Right outer join will return the right table rows along with the matching rows with the left table. And again, if no matching found, simply it will return null. So let's execute. Let's see practically. I am again using the same query, replacing it with, instead of left, I am writing here right. That's it. Okay. As you can see here, now we are getting 5 records, out of which, again, the first 4 records students have enrolled in the respective courses, and then fifth record, as here we are implementing the right outer join. Okay, so it's returning all the rows from the right table. Our right table is right course table, as we know, in course table we have 4 records. Okay, but here fifth record biology, no student have enrolled in biology course, so we are getting null in the left table, because in the left table, our left table is student table, right? Here no student has enrolled in the biology. The course code of biology is what? Is 4, right? So as you can see here in student table, there is no course code as 4. So the right outer join, it simply returns all the courses from the right table along with the matching rows from the left table, and null values because no matching found. Simple. So again, right table rows plus matching rows. If matching not found, simply it will return null. This is nothing but the right outer join. Moving forward now with the full outer join. So it will include all rows. Okay. It will return all the matching rows again, and wherever matching not found, again it will return null. Okay. So full outer join, I will write simply here full instead of right. Okay. As you can see here, we know that Sara student has not enrolled yet, and biology course is not taken by any student. So simply first four records is the matching records of both the tables, and the last two records it's returning null values because not matching. So in this way the joining works. Okay, let's do a quick recap. It's very important note here. So inner join, row is excluded entirely from the result. If no matching records from both the table, that record will be excluded. And left outer join, okay, no match in the right table, simply it will return null. Right outer join, no match in the left table, simply it will return null. Full outer join, for the matching records it will show the values, for non-matching records it will return null. Okay, so in the next video we will cover self join and cross join. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.